Now let us write a menu driven Python program to process Armstrong numbers. What I mean by processing Armstrong numbers is we will generate all the Armstrong numbers between a lower bound and an upper bound. We will find the sum of all the Armstrong numbers between lower bound and upper bound. Similarly, product also. Okay, so first you need to take a new file. It's already taken. You need to save the file. It is saved. You can start with a comment. A menu driven Python program to process Armstrong numbers. Okay, you can end the comment. Now the first thing that you need to do, it's a menu driven Python program, isn't it? So whenever you write a menu driven Python program, you should start with an infinite while loop. Okay, now inside the infinite while loop, first you need to display the menu. So let me display the menu. First let me give the heading menu. Okay, then option number 1 of the menu, let it be read bounds. Okay, read lower bound and upper bound. Now option number 2 of the menu, generate Armstrong numbers between the lower bound and upper bound. Okay, now option number 3 of the menu, sum of Armstrong numbers. Sum of Armstrong numbers. Option number 4 of the menu, product. And option number 5 of the menu, exit from the program. Exit. Okay, now after displaying the menu, you should enter your choice. So you can type C equals int input. So here you can write enter your choice. Okay, now I am going to use another variable name because C is already used in Armstrong numbers, isn't it? Because a copy of variable A is made in variable C. So here let me use the variable name choice. Now if choice equal to 1, you should read the lower bound and upper bound. For the time being, let me write pass. Later I will change that. If choice equal to 2, it is pass. Okay, so now I am going to copy paste this one. For the time being, you can make use of pass everywhere. Pass means empty statement, and later you can change this. Okay, and choice equal to 5, it is exit from the program. So exiting from the program means you should come out of this loop, and in order to come out of this loop you can make use of break. Okay, so for what purpose do you make use of break? To come out of a loop. And finally you can write one else. Okay, so here if you type a number other than 1 to 5, it is wrong choice. So you can type print wrong choice. Okay, now let me change the options one by one. If choice equal to 1, you should read the lower bound and upper bound. Okay, so let me read lower bound first. Int input, and here you can write enter the lower bound. Similarly, you need to enter the upper bound. So here you can type UB and here you can type upper. So that is done. Now what is option number 2? Generate Armstrong numbers between this lower bound and this upper bound. Okay, my next video tutor explains this option, how to generate Armstrong numbers between this lower bound and upper bound.